channel. My name is Serafina Baker. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Today we're going to be making, what should we do? Boom! Whoa, this is another Baketivity box. So let's open inside and see. What is this? What is this? Jumbo M&M cookie baking kit. Ooh. Let's open this up. Whoa, this is Jumbo M&M cookies. It says it takes 50 minutes and individual. There's 12. Well, that's a lot. There's 12 steps? Okay, we might be here for a long time. Let's open this present. Whoa, that's heavy. How many? I can't open it. That's a lot of sugar. Flour, brown sugar. Why did they make the brown sugar really hard? I can squeeze it. Vanilla sugar. In addition, from the box, we have 1 whole stick of butter that's softened, 1 egg, 2 cookie sheets, parchment paper, 2 bowls, a spatula, a whisk, and the thing to scoop the dough, and a cooling rack. So let's get started. Number 1 step says, wash your hands and then preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. I know. So now we're going to read step 2's instructions. So this is step 2 and it's an even number. Remember that in your head. Okay, step 2's instructions say line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper. Okay. Stay down. Now I'm going to read step 3's instructions and it's an odd number, so let's do it. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt set aside. So I have the flour, baking soda, and 2 packets of salt. So let's cut it open. Wait. Thanks for not cutting. The plastic went into the cage and aimed her. And nice salt. Now we're going to step 4's instruction and it's an even number. In a large mixing bowl, whisk 1 stick of very softened butter. I have it right here. Almost melted. Whoa. Need to go get a napkin. Don't worry, Mommy. The counter's all clean now. Now we're going to read step 5's instructions, and step 5 is an odd number. Okay, let's read. Add in the brown sugar and sugar. Continue to whisk. That's good. Now we're going to read step 6 instructions, and step 6 is an even number. Add in 1 egg and vanilla sugar and whisk until it's nice and smooth. Let's do eggs first, but it kind of does not matter the order that you do it. You didn't think I could do that, did you? I might need to clean up another mess. Now we're going to read step 7's instructions, and step 7 is an odd number. Add in your dry ingredients and use your spatula to combine. Now I'm gonna read step 8 instructions. Okay, fold in chocolate M&Ms until they are evenly disturbed, I think. Not disturbed. Distributed in your dough. I'm sneaking one. They're pretty good. Step 9. You have to get a big amount and then get it into your hands and then come on out. That's my special one, alright? That's the special, right? That's maybe a little bit too much. That's also my special. Now I'm going to read step 10 instructions, and that's an even number. Place the cookie dough balls on your cookie sheet about 2 inches apart and add 2 to 3 lentils on top of your ball. Okay, now we're going to read step 11 instructions, and step 11 is an odd number. Bake for 13 to 14 minutes or until golden brown. I have a song for you guys to hear. A 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. I was really late for school. I couldn't miss the bus, so I had to drive myself to school. I brushed my teeth while making my lunch. I had to run. I couldn't eat breakfast that day. I slept in a little bit. That's good for my sleep. That's good for my sleep. But I had to go to school. Then I just realized it's a Saturday. That's why I sleep in. I have a sandwich for today for lunch. I have a sandwich for today for lunch. Lunch. Did you like that song? Yeah. It's almost ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's all done. Those are huge. Ooh, look, the M&M was melting that it kind of turned the cookie red. Wow, they're huge. I don't think I can eat one of them. Whoa, they're huge. We're gonna let them cool. Bye-bye. Now that the cookies have cooled, now it's time for taste testing, and taste testing is my favorite part. So I'm gonna need another person. Who should I call? Luca!
Yeah?
You wanna taste test one?
Sure. It tastes really good.
He really approves on it. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm still deciding. It's really good. Look at how much percent is this?
How about like a 98?
That's better. Look at 1 out of 100%.
There might not be enough M&Ms in mine.
Are you serious?
There's a lot of M&Ms overall. And we're not enough in this one. Well, you did melt the M&M good. There's a lot of melted chocolate in there, which tastes good.
Thank you guys so much for watching Serafina Baker. I hope you remember to smash that bell, subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Bye. Number 1 step says wash your hands and preheat the oven to 350 F something.
Cut.
Fahrenheit. Ow, I hit me.
Cut.
Not gonna be big enough, but okay. I think I need to redo that.